I am Priya Baptista and I lead learning and development and employee engagement at CleverTap. Oh, my team is fun. They are a bunch of hustling, fun ladies who are go-getters. So I'm very proud of my team. One thing I love about CleverTap is the way different people from across levels come together to celebrate people across the globe, whether it's senior management or people at different levels, right? It's just, we all are one team. There's never like a hierarchical difference that you'd ever experience here. So that's something that I love about CleverTap. If CleverTap was a superhero, the superpower it would have would be like Spiderman, being the underdog and then coming forward. So at CleverTap, we have a fun, vibrant and a young team, and therefore every time we have an initiative for them, we always keep in mind the learning, the growth, the coming together, learning from each other, learning from peers, aspects of engagement. We also, of course, have a lot of fun while we do this, and are people leaving motivated? Are people leaving with a sense of pride of being a part of CleverTap?